Hi, this is Thor with the ATVSuperstore.com. Winter's around the corner. We got our snowplow installed, the hydro turn, but now we need to get the chill out of the cab. So now we're going to install some upper doors for our favorite General here, which we call Blue. Here we go. So today we're going to be installing the Siezmek upper doors on our 2020 Polaris General XP1000. I'm going to do things a little bit differently this time versus as shown in previous videos. I'm going to start with the weather stripping first. I'm also going to install these triangles and then proceed to another step. So here we go. Step one is complete. I installed the triangle, cleaned the metal with alcohol, installed the weather strip. Also, I still utilized my original Siezmek mirror mount versus poking a hole in the upper door, installing the mirror that way, because if I ever want to take my upper doors off, I still want to use my mirrors. So now I will proceed to my next step. Step two, I'm going to be taking off the inner plastic of the door and installing the hardware for the upper doors. So the door panel is off. Next, we're going to remove this little screw here. And then we are going to remove one of these bolts, install the brackets, one here, one here. We're gonna trim, and go from there. Okay, the first bracket has been installed loosely. Now we're going to install the second bracket shortly. However, first we have these little clip nuts that are going to go in this way. So again, the flat side up. The bolts will be on the back and you just clip them in. Okay, I have these clip nuts installed now. It'll be going this way when we put it in the unit. So now we have both brackets installed, one here, one here. Next, I'm going to take the upper part of the door, install it, mark where I need to drill the holes, and go from there. So we have drilled out the holes. Here is the front, here is the back. Next, we're going to install the plastic again. I found the easiest way to drill the cleanest hole is using one of these drill bits. Much easier. Okay, now we have the panel installed again. Everything's all cleaned up. Holes look good. Now we'll just install the upper door and we should be ready to roll. Now we have the upper door installed. Looks really nice. Lastly, we just need to install the lock mechanism on the top. So when you're trailering or going at higher speeds, it'll keep it airtight. Well, not airtight, but much better than without it. So this is the lock mechanism. It's gonna go right here, bolt nut, and it's easier to do if you open the window. Here we have that little lock mechanism installed now. So all you do is you close the door, then you just flip this up, and it seals it up. Looks nice. All the seals line up, no major gaps at all. Now the next process would be to take off the Velcro and glue it down. However, am not going to do that. I think I'm going to get some rivet snaps and install those instead, making it a cleaner installation. Well, we're finished. This was a project. It was a little nerve-wracking drilling those holes, but I got it done. It looks good. The first door took me about an hour to do. The second door took me about 40 minutes to do. But now it's a enclosed snow machine beast. Looks good. Think it'll serve its purpose. I'd do it again, put it that way. So, no, I'm happy with the results. Again, I'm going to come up with a different solution on the bottom here. I don't want to do this cheesy Velcro on my side-by-side. I'm going to get some rivet snaps and put them in place, and I think it'll look much better. Other than that, very happy with the install. We do sell these on the website also, by the way, by Siezmek. You can give me a call if you have any questions regarding installations. I've been there, done that. Our email is theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. The phone number is 815-321-3888. My name is Thor. I am the owner. Been doing this for 15 years and loving my job. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching the video.